In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add X Wave Detector in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open, whether it's a stock, forex pair, crypto, or any other asset you like to trade. Once you're on your chart, the first thing we're going to do is open up the indicators menu. Look towards the top of your TradingView interface. You should see a button labeled Indicators near the toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can access all of TradingView's built-in indicators, as well as community scripts and any custom tools you've added before. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search box to activate it. This is where you can quickly filter through thousands of available indicators without scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search field, start typing X Wave Detector. Make sure you spell it correctly and give it a moment for the results to appear. As you type, TradingView will narrow down the list in real time. Once you see X Wave Detector in the results, you can click on it to add it directly to your current chart. After you click it, you should notice the indicator appearing over your price chart. Depending on how X Wave Detector is designed, it may draw wave patterns, highlight specific price structures, or mark potential reversal zones. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or behaves, you can hover over the indicator's name on your chart, click the settings icon, and adjust the inputs or visual style to fit your trading preferences. If you're not already using TradingView Pro, this is a good time to consider upgrading because many advanced tools and layouts work best with the Pro plan. I have an affiliate link in the video description that takes you straight to TradingView Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you're on the version of TradingView that gives you the best performance and indicator limits for tools like X Wave Detector. And that's all there is to it. Open indicators, click on the search box, look for X Wave Detector, add it to your chart, and, if you'd like, use the affiliate link in the description to get set up with TradingView Pro.